Hey everyone, wanted to give you an update on the Trans Am project and what you can expect to see over the next couple weeks. First, make sure you're caught up on the progress. We started with the rusty pile of what used to be a Trans Am. Replaced the lead seams in the quarter panels, built a tilter jig, replaced the rocker panels in the floor, and restored the subframe to better than new. At this point, I had to take a couple weeks off as I relocated to Florida. So I packed up my tools, equipment, and the Firebird and headed south. I've been here a few weeks now and have my shop up and running, with a fresh epoxy floor, cabinets, and even a couple slick tables. So with the move, the Trans Am had to sit outside while I was finishing the shop. So we got a lot of surface rust on any of the exposed metal panels. So we're going to treat those and prep towards paint, including an in-depth walkthrough of our Fast Etch and Afterweld products. We'll also be tackling the Firewall and getting that ready as well. So thank you for tuning in and following this project so far. We've had a lot of positive feedback from you guys and the fans, and also our partners with this project at Firebird Central, maybe even gaining another partner as well. As always, subscribe to our channel. Any tools that you may need, go on over to Eastwood.com.